The cicadas are here, right on cue. In fact, maybe they're just a little later than last year. They were just really loud a second ago. Okay, now they stopped. It's a bit like a scene out of Tarzan. Maybe a little miniature Tarzan will be surfing along these vines, huh? About a foot tall. Shoo! Whoop! Up into that tree. And the cicadas are here. They're not so loud right here and right now. They are here for sure. So the cicadas are in full-on hiss mode. I don't know what you call it. They're making their noise, that's for sure. It started about a month ago. You could start to hear them coming in. But now they're all over. Cicadas! Ugly, noisy, rotten, stinking, whatever. I think the birds are in competition with the cicadas now. Probably the birds don't want the cicadas around them, but they're bound to be on the same branch every now and then, if not more often than that. There was a lot of rain last night, this morning. It's a lot of water and it's really muddy, so that only makes sense because it's been raining a lot the last day and a half or so. Yeah. And this morning was a good downpour.